How to bake pumpkin seeds recipe. Fall recipes for you to enjoy pumpkins and also have a great low carb snack, keto snack, or just a general snack in your apartment. A special thank you today for Fresh Jack's Organic Seasoning for sponsoring today's video. I do have a 15% off code for you down in the description link below. Fresh Jack's, when you purchase 2 large bottles of Fresh Jack's, they will donate a meal to a child in hunger to help prevent childhood hunger. In addition, they do have amazing organic seasonings that don't have creepy carbs or extra added ingredients in the organic spices. I know your family will love them as much as I do. Okay, let's dive into our pumpkin seed recipe, this easy fall recipe for you. Get 2 pumpkins. I'm using small to medium-sized pumpkins that I got locally from a farmer, but you can get them wherever, and you can use bigger pumpkins if you feel so inclined. Scoop out all of the seeds from the pumpkin. You can use this in my part 2 video that I have that I will link in the description on how to make pumpkin puree out of your pumpkins for more fall recipes. But scoop out all the seeds, put them in the bowl, and take out all that flesh. There's those little strings in there. Get that out of there. You want to have basically just the seeds in your bowl as you're scooping out your pumpkin seeds, to make sure that it's literally just baking the other pumpkin seed part. We'll do pumpkin puree in part 2. Put your pumpkin seeds on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Go ahead and take some olive oil. I'm using Laconico olive oil because it's one of my favorites. Literally spread all of your pumpkin seeds over into the olive oil on top of the parchment paper. This is going to make the crispy brown outside exterior of your pumpkin seeds. Now, this is the secret ingredient. You're going to need your Fresh Jack's Himalayan pink salt. They have the best pink salt on the market, in my humble opinion. It's absolutely delicious. Sprinkle it all over. You want to be very generous with your Fresh Jack's organic seasonings. You could even use on there their cracked pepper, their Greek seasoning, their Thai seasoning. They have a ton of others in their gift sets, which I will link also down below at the bottom. Those also are included in the donation for the childhood hunger too, of helping prevent it. Cook on 400 degrees for 10 minutes, flip, cook for another 5 minutes, and that's how you make your easy pumpkin seed recipe. It's completely delicious. You can put it in an airtight container and it will last for 4 or 5 days in an airtight container. We leave ours in the refrigerator, but do what you feel most comfortable with. It is so good. It is so nutritious. 1/4 of cup is only 2 net carbs if you're on a low carb diet. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and click subscribe and get your 15% off Fresh Jack's code below.